investigating the chemical processes and safety of spoiled foods. Every day, we encounter food items with expiry dates. These dates are printed on foods to help us know when they are fresh and safe to eat. However, expired food items can pose a significant health risk if consumed. In this video, we will investigate the science behind the expiry dates, why food items expire, the chemical processes that occur during food spoilage, and the safety of expired foods. Firstly, let's understand why food items expire. Foods contain a range of natural and artificial components that can change over time, affecting the taste, texture, and nutritional value of the food. For example, fats can become rancid, proteins can break down, and carbohydrates can stale, affecting the overall quality of the food. As a result, expiry dates are used to indicate when the food is no longer fit for consumption. Now let's dive deeper into the chemical processes that occur during food spoilage. Food spoiling is a natural process that occurs when microorganisms, such as bacteria, yeast, and mold, grow and proliferate on the surface or inside the food. As the microbes feed on the food, they produce enzymes and other chemicals, which break down the food's structure, leading to foul odors, flavors, and textures. One example of how food spoils is when proteins degrade. Protein deterioration, or proteolysis, is the process by which the protein molecules in food break down into smaller, simpler compounds, such as amino acids. This can lead to the production of toxic substances, such as histamine, which can cause food poisoning and other health issues. Another example of food spoilage is the breakdown of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, such as sugar and starch, can be broken down by microorganisms, producing gases, such as carbon dioxide and alcohol, which can result in fermented and sour tastes, as in sour milk or spoiled bread. Now is it safe to eat expired food? The answer is not straightforward since it depends on several factors, such as the type of food, the storage conditions, and the degree of spoilage. Some expired foods, such as crackers or canned goods, can still be safe to eat even after the expiry date. However, other foods, such as raw meat, seafood, and dairy products, can be extremely dangerous if consumed after the expiry date. Additionally, how the food was stored can also affect its safety. If food is stored in optimal conditions, such as in a cool, dry place, it may still be safe to eat after the expiry date. Conversely, food that was stored in poor conditions, such as in a warm, humid environment, may be dangerous to consume, even if the expiry date has not passed. In conclusion, the science of expired food is complex, and many factors contribute to the spoilage and safety of food items. It is essential to understand the risks associated with consuming expired foods and to follow safe storage guidelines to prevent food spoilage and reduce health risks.